Write A. Turn it upside down. Then write 3 horizontally and join with another 3. Make an upside down C. Lastly, make multiple mini I inside the C. Here's a cute little ice cream.
Write J. Then make a horizontal D on top. Next, make a V inside the D. Do the same on the other side. So here's a cute little umbrella.
Write S. Make an O on the upper half of the S. Then make an inverted A in the lower part of the S. Make a small horizontal V outside the O. Then make a little O inside the bigger O. Lastly, make an upside down 77 under the inverted A. Here's a cute little chickie. Write V. Then join with another V. Under the V, make a horizontal narrow D. Lastly, make a horizontal I inside the D. Here's a cute little boat.